Finding a tax consultant and filing your tax return doesn't need to be a big task anymore. In this video, we will introduce to the Elster, the free tax software that will revolutionize the way you handle your taxes in future. And we will walk you through the process of registering with Elster. Elster not only makes your life incredibly easy to submit your tax return online, but it also offers a range of additional services such as changing tax class, obtaining a freelance tax number, submitting Grundsteuererklärung and many more. We will make a set of videos in the upcoming months, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. For the people who are new to this channel, myself Balaji, and we do make videos all about Germany to make your life more easier. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you're ready, come, let's get started. A short disclaimer, I am not a tax consultant. I am making this video based on my own research. I kindly recommend you people also to check out with your Steuerberater or the Steuerhilfeverein or whomsoever who will be helping you with the tax stuff. I am making this video on my own research, so please do your own research once again. First things first, what is Elster? Elster stands for Elektronische Steuererklärung, which simply means electronic tax return. It was introduced back in 2005 to make tax-related tasks easier for both the taxpayers like you and also the tax officers. Now, why should you consider using Elster? Well, besides simplifying the tax return process, Elster also offers a range of additional services. You can access a variety of electronic services from the financial administration, such as retrieving your old document. Let's say you missed your pay slips, you can also retrieve those pay slips using the Elster, and also the information about your electronic wage tax card, which is Elstamp. In order to be able to use all the advantages of this electronic tax return, you should set up a user account once and register for My Elster. Let's talk about the different registration options available for the private individuals like yourself and myself. There are 4 options to choose from. One is the Elster certificate with help of the certificate file. Second one is an Ausweisapp. Third is security stick. Fourth is the signature card, which is a certificate file. Certificate file. This is completely free and you do not need any kind of additional or hardware to register. You will receive an activation code in the mail and by post after registering. I will show you how to get the certificate file in a short time. Second option is Ausweisapp. In future, you will register and log in with your identity card, which is an Aufenthaltstitel. In order to use this type of legitimation, you need also a card reader or else the Ausweisapp to develop on behalf of the federal ministry. Third option is the security stick. Here you identify yourself with the security stick on which a certificate file is saved. This something costs more than 50 euros. It's a one-time purchase. You also have to download the Elster Authenticator software for the identification. Last option is the signature card. This is a card which is a digital certificate issued by a person or an organization. You also have to download the Elster Authenticator with this option, and this costs somewhere more than 100 euros if I remember it correctly. Tax office basically recommend the Elster certificate, which is going to be our prime focus for today. It's not only free but also doesn't require any kind of additional hardware. All you need to do is get an activation code that will be sent to you by mail. Alright. Let's walk through the process of registering with the Elster certificate. It's a piece of cake. It's very simple and easy to obtain this Elster certificate. Let's go by step-by-step guide. First one, create a user account. As a first step, you create a user account on the elster.de, which you can find on the Elster start page. Submit all your personal information. First, enter your name, date of birth, and your tax identification number. Don't confuse here with the Steuer number. Here you need to enter the Steuer ID. The Steuer ID is a unique ID which is aligned only for your individual as long you are alive. The Steuer number will be variable. Once you do the tax declaration, you will be obtaining the Steuer number, and this Steuer number also will keep on changing when you move from one city to other city, or else you're moving within the same city but you are aligned with a different finance amt. Then set your username, choose a security question and enter the associated answer, so that in case if you forget it, you can also retrieve your password with help of the security answer. Submit this data. After submitting this data, you will then receive the activation ID by email and the activation code by post. This will be sent to the address currently on the file with the registration office. Once you register in a particular city, wherever you register, this particular code will be sent only to the registered address. If you're living in your friend's house address or living in a sub-rent somewhere else without having registered in the particular city, you won't receive this code. So keep in mind, once you registered Elster to receive this code, you will be received only to the address where you're officially registered. As you could see, you need to also confirm your email address so that you have to log into the email ID. In our case, we just put Vanakkam email ID, so I got a confirmation mail whether it is not a spam or something, so we have confirmed it now. After 2 weeks of time, this receiving this post will take on average up to 2 weeks. Once you enter both this activation code which you received by email and by post, you will be able to download a Elster file, the certificate file. You enter the data and you will then receive a certificate file with the ending PFX. And this certificate file must be stored in any of your Google Drives or whatever drives you prefer to be. You can store it and use it for login purpose. You can now use this file to log into My Elster. Since I personally have the Elster file which I registered 6 to 7 years before, I am using this to show you that how I can log in into the My Elster website. Authentication works together with the certificate file which is valid for 3 years. You need to also renew this particular Elster certificate before its expiry. Around 3 months before the expiry date of the Elster certificate, you will receive a message in your mailbox. You can then usually extend your certificate file with just one click. This is very simple, but today I am not going to show that how to extend your certificate file when during expiry. When the time comes, I will show that part as well. Remember the storage location because you need the certificate every time you log in into Elster portal. Without this certificate, you will not be able to log in. If you forget it, you can also request for the Elster file once again. You have to once again wait for around 2 weeks to get a new code sent by post. Now you have successfully done the first step for filing the taxes, changing taxes, getting a tax number for all your business purposes. So I hope you understood how powerful the Elster is going to be. We will make a set of videos. Please do support us by liking this video and also leave a comment so that YouTube recommends our video for all our experts to make their life simpler. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. We will catch you in also a set of Elster videos coming soon for you people. I'll catch you in one interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Balaji.